A critical part of defining opportunities for design thinking is being able to identify strengths, weaknesses, and potentialities. One great tool to help you do this is the POD tool. That's POD spelled P-O-D, and it stands for Pain Points, Opportunities, and Delighters. POD is a collaborative tool that you can use to help you organize data in a way that encourages input from across your design team to help you identify issues and insights that you can then use to generate solutions. You can use it for reviewing research data, for evaluating ideas and concepts, for considering your current product offering or your competitors, anytime you need to identify critical issues in the design process. Using it is simple. You get your team together and you hand out 3 colors of sticky notes to each member. Each color represents a category for evaluation: pain point, opportunity, or delighter. A pain point is an element that elicits a negative reaction or causes frustration, anger, or disappointment, and often it's something that needs to be addressed quickly. Suppose you're using pods to evaluate a customer's journey through a food delivery app. You might identify a pain point where the customer has to navigate through several different screens to complete their order, making them frustrated or even causing them to abandon their order before it's complete. An opportunity is an element of the experience that could become positive, but right now doesn't cause a strong reaction either way. In your food delivery app, maybe the service works fine for ordering food in the moment, but you could make it more obvious how customers could schedule deliveries ahead of time. A delighter, as you'd expect from the name, elicits a positive reaction and provokes happiness and satisfaction. Maybe your stakeholders really enjoy watching their food delivery tracked on a map by GPS in real time, straight to their door. Together with your team, review each element of your data and assign each a color. When you've written each element on the appropriate colored sticky note, group them together by theme, not by color, so that you have a collection of pain points, opportunities, and delighters for each. With your food delivery app, for example, your themes might include discovery, ordering, and receiving. At this stage, don't generate solutions. If the POD tool does inspire you to come up with a good idea, write it down separately. The key is to work together to build a foundation for identifying insights, which you can then use later to spark those good ideas and innovative solutions.